Okay, once again, good morning. Welcome sa ating channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. And in today's video, we are going to have our self-evaluation on the subject Criminal Law Book 2 under our topic treason. Okay, so sana pinanood natin yung ating discussion sa Vlog 31. Okay, tinalakay natin dyan yung crime na treason. At ngayon, sukatin natin ang inyong kalaman base sa pagkakaintindi nyo sa topic natin tinalakay. So let's start. Yung mga kasagutan later on makikita lamang sa ating description box. Alright, so let's start. Question number 1. Sana yung question number 1 natin. Ayan. What is referring to a breach of allegiance to the government by a person who owes allegiance to it? Is it piracy, murder, espionage, or letter D, treason? Question number 2. What crime is punished by state as a measure of self-protection? Letter A, piracy. Letter B, murder. Letter C, treason. Or letter D, espionage. Number 3. Treason is committed in times of war, not peace, when there is actual hostilities and there must be a formal declaration of war. Letter A may be true, letter B may be false, letter C true, or letter D false. So kinakailangan ba na magkaroon muna ng declaration of war bago natin masasabing treason ang ginawa ng isang akusado? Number 4. Person liable for treason except letter A Filipino, letter B alien, letter C alien residing, or letter D none of them. Number 5. Intellectually or emotionally favors the enemy and harbors sympathies or convictions disloyal to his country's policy or interests. Letter A, levying war. Letter B, adherence to enemy. Letter C, aid or comfort. Or letter D, owing allegiance. Number 6. To convict a person for treason, the testimonies of two witnesses must, letter A, relate to the two similar acts. Letter B, relate to different acts. Letter C, relate to the same overt act. Or letter D, relate to different overt act. Number 7. Treason is a continuing crime even after the war. Offender can still be prosecuted. Letter A true, letter B false, letter C may be true, or letter D may be false. Number 8. Act which strengthen or tends to strengthen the enemy of the government in the conduct of war against the government, or an act which weakens or tends to weaken the power of the government or the country to resist or to attack the enemies of the government or country. Letter A, levying war. Letter B, aid or comfort. Letter C, adherence to enemy. Or letter D, owing allegiance. Number 9. What is referring to an obligation of fidelity and obedience which the individual owe to the government? Letter A, treason. Letter B, allegiance. Letter C, patriotism. Or letter D, citizenship. Number 10. What is the crime committed if the uprising is to overthrow the government to establish another government? Letter A, treason. Letter B, sedition. Letter C, codita. Or letter D, rebellion. Alright, so that is our first quiz. Submit your answer using the link nandito sa ating description box. At sa mga nagre-review naman, yung mga kasagutan ay makikita later on dito sa ating description box. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, see you again next meeting.